Hey everybody, what's up? It's Chris, and today I'm doing another restaurant review. I'm back in Los Angeles and I'm at Little Pine Restaurant. This is one of my absolute favorite places to eat, and whenever I'm in the area, I make sure to eat here at least 1 or 7 times. Let's see what they got today for brunch. Everything looks so amazing that even Adam had to take some pictures of it. Here we have lemon poppy seed pancakes, the French toast, look at that, the mushroom duxelle, I think I said that right, the crispy breakfast potatoes, more French toast, the roasted cauliflower, avocado toast, look how amazing that looks, more of those potatoes, and the breakfast parfait. The roasted cauliflower is fennel marmalade, chimichurri, citrus segments, and fennel fronds. The mushroom duxelle is slow-cooked mushroom, shaved parm, vegan, roasted lavage, and sourdough crostini. This beautiful avocado toast is heirloom cherry tomatoes, house-made smoked almond cheese, and it is delicious. And we have these crispy breakfast potatoes. We'll take a bowl of those. This here is Adam, and it didn't take much convincing to get him to try some of the food for us, so let's see what he thinks. Let's see, we got a plate full of the cauliflower, the mushroom duxelle is what he's got here. Let's go for it. There he goes, he bit into it, he's chewing it. What's he think?
That's good.
That's what I would have said. Look at that, it's unreal. Now it's my turn to try the avocado toast. Tastes super fresh. It's really good. Now the French toast isn't just any old French toast. It's a jalapeno cheddar French toast, pickled jalapeno focaccia, maple syrup, and seasonal fruit jam. Jalapeno cheddar?
Yeah.
All right. So he's gonna try some of this French toast over here. Got the syrup. Here we go. The moment of truth. Spicy or
not spicy? It's not too dense either. It's really good.
You can taste the spice in it at all, or the jalapeno? No.
No.
Cheese?
A bit cheesy, yeah.
Yeah.
Really good though.
Awesome. All right, and then we have the pancakes over here.
You can see the cheese.
Little chunk of cheese inside the bread. It's really thick. But you said it's
It doesn't feel like.
Oh, it's nice and like airy.
Yeah.
All right, so now we are super full and super satisfied. We're gonna be taking the rest of this home with us. Everything here was amazing. And I gotta say, these lemon poppy seed pancakes really impressed me. They are by far the best pancakes I've ever had. If you are ever in Silver Lake, go to Little Pine, grab those pancakes, grab the French toast, the avocado toast. You can thank me later. Everything was out of this world. Now we got a bunch of leftovers to take back to the house and eat for the next couple days. Well, would you look at that? We liked it so much we ended up going back later that evening for some dinner. And we got to try a bunch of things that weren't on the brunch menu. And I gotta say, I didn't take too many videos here, but I did take some pictures, which I'll show you in a minute. We had some really good conversations, met some great people, and made some really good connections. The ambience here was amazing, just check that out. And we had a really great time. Now, I apologize for these pictures being a little dark, but this was the Little Pine Burger, and this is the panko crusted piccata, and the cashew Brussels, all of which were amazing. And that brings this most memorable night to an end. One unique thing about Little Pine is the people. It's a community of regulars, vegans, activists, artists, and of course it's loaded with influential people. Famous musicians, actors, directors, painters, photographers, etc. Every other table seems like there's someone you recognize, and they talk to you because the vibe is so positive. I've never been to a restaurant where the kind of table-to-table interaction is baked into the DNA of the place. You sit down and you immediately start talking to the table next to you. part of the reason is it's got to be one of the most dog-friendly restaurants in the world. They have a dog menu with items like chow mein, beagle bites, Otis meal, Great Danish, and German Shepherd pie. Now I know Indy would like that. You sit down, a dog sticks its head into your table, and you're talking to that table. Since the entire restaurant is outdoors, the dog thing is a real icebreaker. The restaurant's amazing, the food is next to perfect, but the vibe and the people at Little Pine is something I found nowhere else. Oh, and did I mention it's Happy Cow's top-rated restaurant? I know, I'm back. Little Pine again. Yesterday at brunch, dinner, and now lunch. The food is amazing. It's the best you're ever going to eat. If you're ever in Silver Lake, you got to come here. Share it. Tell all your friends about this place. And of course, subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys in the next one.